So this week on Gosh Portia, you can't believe everything you see on the internet. We are going to do an egg white and lemon toilet paper face mask. It's really old, but I think that it's gonna work, so I'm gonna try it. The instructions on WikiHow said to wet your face with a warm towel. So that's what I'm doing, and this is my first time trying this, so use egg whites only. So I'm gonna crack these eggs and use the egg whites. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Mix up my little egg white and lemon juice face mask. Evenly distribute the mask on the. Ew, it's so runny. I didn't expect that. Maybe it's because I put too much lemon juice. That could be possible. Mm-mm. 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 Oh, that's not cute. Take this and press it on there. And then take this and press it on there. And then take this. Oh my goodness. And press it on there. I don't want to burn my eyes. Oh, girl, closing my eyes real quick. Mm-mm. I need to drip this. Mm-mm. 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 So gross. Okay. Do it to the side just in case it wants to run down. And then get the nose. I should probably press it in more than that. Yeah, like that. Let's get it in there. And then get that one. My fingers are sticking all to the side. And then I put this one on the nose. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply the next layer. And then the next layer of toilet paper. On WikiHow, it said that, of course, results will not be seen after the first time, which made me not even want to do it. I'm like, what? I need immediate results. What you talking about? But it seemed fun and interesting. So I was like, even though it's old, grandparents are usually the ones that have the best hacks for like life in general. So it's like old hacks are typically pretty good hacks. So I'll give it a try. Doggone it. I'm so sleepy. And it is tight. I don't know if it's exactly dry completely, but it's about to come off. I need to take a shower and take my butt to bed. And it came off so easily. Oh, I see one blackhead. One whole blackhead is better than none. And it is pretty dry. It's nice. So I'll try it again and see if I have more patience the next time. But I feel like, I don't know. I'll have to see tomorrow what I think about it. Although Rome wasn't built in a day, I understand that. So I guess I'll see what I think about it in a month or so. Oh, nice. Another little blackhead. I'll take it. Girl, but that skin ain't so fresh and so clean just yet. I don't want it to be spick and span. Not a dang couple of sites. Could it happen like that? If so, let me know how. But that was fun. Hmm?